Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Did you know that 61% of consumers abandon sites because they think the content is irrelevant? That's a big problem for e-commerce retailers and publishers looking to grow their audience and increase sales. But using OptinMonster's Geolocation Targeting, you can show relevant campaigns based on a user's location. E-commerce retailers often use geolocation targeting to show location-specific offers to increase conversions and sales. Let's take a look at a few different use cases of OptinMonster's Geo-Targeting tool. You can use OptinMonster's Geolocation Targeting to segment offers by climate and culture, so you don't show offers for thick winter coats to your customers in the Florida Keys. Instead, Geolocation Targeting lets you swap images and offers, so you always make the right offer to the right customer at the right time. You can even fine-tune your offers by combining geolocation with our advanced page-level targeting options. OptinMonster also helps you attract new customers with localized shipping deals and discounts, increasing customer loyalty and boosting sales. Our customers are already offering free same-day delivery for eligible customers thanks to OptinMonster's Geo-Targeting service. For example, check out our case study on Sportique and how they use OptinMonster's Geolocation Targeting to increase conversions by 200% and offer local delivery in San Francisco through UberRush. You can also use geolocation targeting to translate offers for specific countries, regions, and even cities. And when you combine geolocation targeting with campaign scheduling, you can show offers to visitors in particular time zones to deliver time-limited offers like holiday discounts. For example, check out our case study on skates.co.uk and how they converted 39% of their geo-targeted visitors. Do you know which language is the most spoken in the world? Hint, it's not English. English is actually on third place, after Mandarin and Spanish. So if you're looking to monetize your site and are making offers in only one language, you're missing out on a huge potential audience. That's because 72% of web users prefer content in their own language. Use OptinMonster's geolocation targeting feature to increase subscriber numbers by showing relevant and personalized campaigns that engage your website visitors wherever they happen to be located. For example, check out our case study on how Libratone grew its email list by 400% using geo-targeted campaigns. And when you combine our geolocation software with page-level targeting, our signature exit intent technology, and campaign scheduling, you can increase engagement, attract more customers, and make more sales. So, are you ready to start targeting visitors with location-specific campaigns? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.